जिस इंडस्ट्री में हम हैं और जहाँ से हम आए हैं हमारे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है समझना, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक प्रॉपर आई वुड से गाइडेंस नहीं होती।
पहले बेस्ट बनने का एक अजीब सा चेज था। पता नहीं क्यों था, किसके लिए था, शायद खुद के लिए था, खुद की कमियां छुपाने के लिए था, या चीजें आपको कभी ड्यूज नहीं मिले होते लाइफ में तो आपको रहता है कि नहीं अच्छा आप चेज करना चाहते हैं, आपको बेस्ट बनना है।
यहाँ तो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कि कोई फ्राइडे फिल्म वर्क नहीं करती तो हम उस दिन पार्टी करते हैं, है ना, कि यार इसकी फिल्म नहीं चली है बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, क्या कर रहा है, चलना लेट्स मीट फॉर डिनर। इट्स दैट बिकॉज़ यू आर मोर हैप्पी फॉर समवन्स फेलियर देन समवन्स सक्सेस, and that's the fact. Raj Kapoor Saab was such a stalwart filmmaker, right? I think his filmography, I have studied it like hardcore. For me, यहाँ तो हम छुपाते हैं, हम अपने ट्रेलर नहीं दिखाते, हम अपना पहला लुक नहीं दिखाते जब तक रिलीज ही ना हो जाए।
This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on screen, and I am in conversation with the very amazing gang of Hai Junoon. Hello guys, congratulations for the show.
Thank you so much.
And you know, the trailer is out and it looks so amazing because you know we see this jugalbandi, this takrar between dancers and singers this time. And you know, firstly though I want to begin asking you, what is this Hai Junoon connection? Because New York had Hai Junoon and now this is Hai Junoon.
Well, I think it's God's way of just telling me that keep the fire burning and dare to dream and dare to dominate, because it's just very organically, it's nothing to do that we strategically try to place this, and because this is technically my first web show, none of that was planned or designed, and it just happened very organically. The show was first called Goats, and of course Goats now has changed to Hai Junoon, but Hai Junoon I felt was like the apt title for this, because Hai Junoon is not just about, of course not about the song and such a popular song that I've done and from New York. But even then, even now, it's almost like how Jeena Yahan Marna Yahan. When you speak of that one song, my grandfather's song, it's an anthem. It's for every man who's passionate. Similarly, I think Hai Junoon are these two words that instill hope in you. And for any creative person who is out there working hard, not just in our vocation or our field, anywhere in the world, but has a dream, and he can dare to dream and dominate in his area, Hai Junoon resonates with that. So I think it just happened and it had a full circle. There's no designed connection with that, but I'm very thankful to God for that.
Amazing. But guys, if you all have to tell me the Junoon that each one of you all have had till this date, being in this industry, what has that Junoon been which has gotten you to where you are today?
My Junoon is something that never lose, never give up no matter what, and never lose your heart and loyalty towards your work, because definitely जिस इंडस्ट्री में हम हैं और जहाँ से हम आए हैं हमारे लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है समझना, क्योंकि हमारे पास एक प्रॉपर आई वुड से गाइडेंस नहीं होती, पता नहीं होता कि क्या होता है, क्या प्रोसेस होता है, एक क्लियर पाथ नहीं होता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें कभी कभी खुद पे डाउट होता है और सेल्फ डाउट्स होते हैं, हम गलतियां भी करते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं ये जो जुनून होता है कि कुछ भी हो जाए, अगर अब मैंने इस पाथ को चूज़ किया है तो आई विल डू समथिंग एंड आई विल ट्राई टू अचीव माई गोल्स एंड माई ड्रीम्स। तो ये जुनून हमेशा मेरे अंदर रहा है और यही एक जुनून है जो मुझे हेल्प करता है टू कीप गोइंग।
What about you?
I just want to say here that what I realized in so many years, that it's not about being the best, but it's about not stopping, and the rest will follow.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Just don't stop.
Very
It's
well
not
said.
about, yes.
Very well
This is
said.
what I realized in these many years. पहले ना एक चेज चीज कर रहा था मैं, बेस्ट बनना है, यंग, जब मैं 20s में था, आई एंटर 30s, आई नाउ, मुझे लोग कहते हैं, मैं बात करता हूँ जैसे मैं पता नहीं कितना ही बड़ा हो गया हूँ, बट यू फील अ सडन शिफ्ट.
Thanks.
Oh, sorry. It was not for you, no. But so then I realized that पहले बेस्ट बनने का एक अजीब सा चेज था. पता नहीं क्यों था, किसके लिए था? शायद खुद के लिए था, खुद की कमियां छुपाने के लिए था, या चीजें आपको कभी ड्यूज नहीं मिले होते लाइफ में तो आपको रहता है कि नहीं अच्छा आप चेस करना चाहते हैं, आपको बेस्ट बनना है. बट देन आई थिंक आई गॉट द ड्यूज, you know, God has been kind to me. With time, then I realized that, with working with some great artists out there, I realized that it is actually not about being the best. It is about not stopping. And I think Neil sir is actually one of the very good examples of that.
Wow.
With us.
मुझे
Right
लाइफ
now.
में because you're saying this, I thought I'll just point this out to you. मुझे लाइफ में एक बहुत I am forgetting किसने ये कहा था, बट ये एक बात मेरे दिमाग में रह गई थी बड़े मेरे करियर के शुरुआत के समय ही. एक किसी ने कहा कि भाई कभी लाइफ में ये मत कहना कि आई नीड अ ब्रेक, क्योंकि उस समय ऊपर वाला इतना लंबा ब्रेक देगा ना तू ढूंढते रहेगा मैं अगला
ये मैंने
आगे मैं
लॉकडाउन
क्या
से जस्ट
करूं,
पहले बोला था
है ना? क्या चीज
कि मुझे
क्या
थोड़ा
है?
ब्रेक चाहिए, सब
break
बोला था.
चाहिए.
3 महीने छुट्टी हुई.
मैं उस बात से इतना डर गया क्योंकि वाकई में मेरी फिल्म अटक गई. जॉनी गद्दार पहली फिल्म थी.
Yes.
Sometimes you don't realize what's that one कहते हैं ना कि हमेशा अच्छी चीजें कहो क्योंकि ऊपर वाला तथास्तु बोलते रहता है.
हाँ.
तो but not trying to take it anywhere else, but I just understood what he meant. He meant to say कि keep at it, because
Yes,
your
yes.
break is sometimes self-doubt,
Yes.
which you haven't put in yourself. Others have put in you.
हाँ.
अरे तेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा यार भाई, क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा? आपको इतने विश्वास से आप कैसे कह सकते हैं, है ना? He's over. The one thing that you will constantly keep hearing, not about just, anytime there's a little bit of a lull, and I've heard it so many times, he's over.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Who are you to decide? I'm still here. I'm still working. I'm still trying to feed my family. Why are you so upset about it? There was once very long ago on Twitter, when Twitter was very popular and used to buzz around a lot. I used to be very active on Twitter and post every morning with one really nice anecdote or a quote or something. One of my films was coming and a very reputed journalist at that point said, I mean, you're a critic, I'm sorry, not a journalist, but a critic. Your job is to critique the film.
Right.
And that too has a certain degree of understanding filmmaking and giving it a certain technical breakdown on your analogy of how you have dissected this film and what's your opinion about it, right?
Yeah.
His opening sentence was, I'm wondering how is somebody paying Neil Nitin Mukesh even now, for a job. And I didn't say nothing, I just told to him, I just wrote back to him saying, okay, my friend, I don't need your validation that, for me to work hard and prove and provide for my family. And then, of course, my entire industry stood by me. And they said that was the worst thing for him to have said. But that day, I kind of lost it with those self-proclaimed and self-made, critics. And I understood that the social media and the voice that everyone has got to voice their opinion,
Right.
that kind of changed. And of course, now we've deviated from your original questions.
No, that's the
But-
Junoon probably that
But coming back to what you were saying, that I have so many anchorings that before you go on any step, यहाँ तो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कि कोई फ्राइडे फिल्म वर्क नहीं करती तो हम उस दिन पार्टी करते हैं, है ना?
Yes.
कि यार इसकी फिल्म नहीं चली है बॉक्स ऑफिस पे, क्या कर रहा है, चलना, let's meet for dinner. It's that because you're more happy for someone's failure than someone's success, and that's the fact.
Right.
So while you are around that kind of atmosphere, the only way forward, my friend, is to have that passion and that self-belief कि boss, no matter what, I'll work for it. और आखिरी बात ये है कि कोशिश तो कर लो. हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो कम से कम कोशिश तो की,
रिग्रेट्स नहीं होंगे,
है ना? कम से कम रात को जब सोएंगे तो हाँ यार
चैन नहीं है.
मैंने ट्राई किया था, नहीं
मैंने
हुआ, कोई
कोशिश
बात
तो किया यार, कम से कम नहीं हुआ, चल नेक्स्ट टाइम.
नहीं. वो वाला वो ठीक रहता है.
So that's the dream.
Wow. Sumit, what's the junoon for you that has kept you going?
I think so. I don't know anything else which is worth my life. I think so. Working, exploring art is something that I genuinely am interested in, and it's not just limited to acting or even dancing. It's just art. I think so. It just kind of teaches a way of living life, a way of feeling life, and I think so. That's what draws me towards itself. तो अभी है जुनून, जैसा आप ये भी कह रहे हो ना, इसमें भी इसी जरिए को पकड़ा है, आर्ट को ही पकड़ा है कि इसके थ्रू हम लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा करेंगे. एंड माय जुनून इन लाइफ is to kind of play different characters with utmost honesty and explore this as much as I can on a greater scale, you know.
Amazing. Also, like you mentioned, you made a very interesting point that, people usually tend to celebrate failures
Tell me
a
about it.
lot. But as an artist, even the show, it deals around,
Is it that real?
Sorry?
Does that actually happen?
It does.
It really
It
happens.
does.
It does, and there is a side
It
to
does.
it which is very dangerous.
And it's
Wow.
toxic, to a point where at least I've seen that a lot, and I still
I'm
see
sure.
that a lot. I'm saying I don't like that conversation because, see, for me, it's about for me, an industry is my family. At least I feel that, and I used to feel that.
Mhm.
If I have worked with somebody, or if I'm hoping to work with somebody, aren't we all a part of the same fraternity?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Isn't it our job to say, अरे यार मैं इसको फोन करके बोल देता हूँ, सेड यार क्या काम किया यार, सुपर. फोन्स नहीं आते ना ऐसे. आपको कब इतने तारीफ वाले, हाँ अगर आपके बड़े ही करीब हैं कोई आपके दोस्त,
तो वो
तो तारीफ करेगा, वरना कहाँ, वरना तो बस बाद में ऑन योर फेस nobody will say that.
स्पेशली कोई नहीं रीच आउट करता, आपको मैंने देखा appreciations के लिए.
Back in the days, we, at least where my father and my grandfather and all have come from, there used to never be inhibitions. There used to never be agendas in friendship. Filmmaking was a different world, na?
Absolutely.
Mukesh ji, Raj Kapoor साहब, they all used to sit, make films together. अरे ये गाना यहाँ पे डालना चाहिए, हाँ यार मुकेश ये गाना यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, इसको ऐसे गा के सुन. बनते थे गाने वो मोमेंट के लिए.
Right.
Raj Kapoor Saab was such a stalwart filmmaker, right? I think his filmography, I have studied it like hardcore. For me, that's my Bible. Would he need an editor like Rishikesh Mukherjee? He wouldn't. But still, just imagine, he would go to Rishida to get his films checked and edited, who was also a very big director. यहाँ तो हम छुपाते हैं, हम अपने ट्रेलर नहीं दिखाते, हम अपना पहला लुक नहीं दिखाते जब तक रिलीज ही ना हो जाए. तो आई एम सेइंग, व्हेन यू आर इन अ पार्ट where everyone has become close and there's no finger pointing,
Yeah.
this is what has happened, is that everyone is certainly frustrated. Everyone hasn't tasted success fully. Everyone has that little ambition within themselves. Everyone hasn't got the opportunity. So that has come into the system.
Absolutely.
And unfortunately, it's spreading as a norm of existence, which is not what it should be. Filmmaking is a great process. Like Sumit rightly pointed out, it's craft, it's art. He doesn't see it any other way. He sees it as an artist. So do I. So do these boys. That's why that discipline is required, yeah.
And I believe, criticism earlier was constructive, but today it's gone to being demeaning to a great extent, with social media also coming in. There's a lot of scrutiny that happens.
There is so much personal body shaming. Why?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
There are actors that I'm reading, and some
Yeah.
critics are saying, okay, this guy should go lose weight. This guy why? Talk about the performance, na?
हाँ सर, मतलब ये तो बहुत, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई मीन फॉर गोट्स, आई मीन है जुनून, लेट्स से आई हैड टू मेक दीज स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ एस्थेटिकली मुझे बॉडी बनानी थी. लाइक सिद्धि मस्ट बी आल्सो फीलिंग दिस वे, आई एम श्योर. तो एस्थेटिकली बनानी थी,
Right,
बट
me
अब
too.
मैं किसी बट अभी कोई और शो जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आता है ना, और उसमें लेट्स से बॉडी नहीं चाहिए, वैसे एस्थेटिकली नहीं चाहिए, फिट चाहिए आदमी, पर एस्थेटिकली नहीं चाहिए, तो ऑब्वियसली डिफरेंस आता है. आप जब मैं
they don't
8%
require
पे
a 10 pack ab.
You don't need 8 pack ads, 10 नहीं है मेरे, 8 भी नहीं है ऐसे, 6 ही है मेरे, right? तो बट ये है कि परसेंटेज फॉर एग्जांपल बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज ऐसे रहता है आपका 8% पहुंचते हैं, you know, इसके लिए मैंने 8% पे कोशिश करी पहुंचने की. पर और शोज में जैसे नहीं जरूरत रहती, कोई प्रोजेक्ट आता है तो लोग मुझे यही सीधा कहते हैं क्या हो गया, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद यू. आई मीन कहाँ, ये तो सब खत्म हो गया, बट हाउ टू नाउ
So कर गए हो?
एक्सप्लेन दैट
है ना?
जिम ट्रेनर नहीं है भाई.
No,
Yes,
when I
yeah.
lost weight and I wanted to, and I lost weight, I'm not lying, drastically, Priyam,
जी,
for this role.
Yes.
Because you know, I was wanting to get into the whole college mold, and I had gained weight for my last film was Bypass Road on screen, in which I played a paraplegic. Then COVID hit. Then after COVID, what had happened? I had gained weight. I had done Saho,
Oh, yeah.
and Saho I had to bulk up because सामने वाला प्रभास है.
Oh yes.
So
This is all 2018, 2019.
I'm talking about 2019.
Okay.
All right. 2019 end, November, December, around that time. And I produced Bypass Road also, and I wrote the film. So we handed over the film to Netflix, and they were releasing the film on the platform. I think in March 2020,
Right.
and COVID hit.
Yes.
So after that, I had nothing to look forward to kind of mold myself again into, etc. And by the time I did that, and I started working out and I started training, I started getting calls for Junoon.
Oh, okay.
And just around your 21
Yeah.
time, just up maybe around that time when they started molding it up.
Molding.
So I said, here's the opportunity. That's for me to look forward to. I am looking this. I'm 43, right? At 43, I'm going to face a 25-year-old fellow, you know, who's got a six-pack ab, who backflips. I'm going to be with another 30-year-old good-looking bloke who's got a 10-pack ab, and I'm going to be with a fantastic-looking, very young man again. What, 30?
28.
28, there you go. 28, who's fantastic actor, who's a dancer, who can say, I mean, what am I doing? Am I going to go like this? A mentor? I'm not aspirational from any angle, right? So I had to sharpen my axe again. I had to restart and rebuild. And I did that. So
really did
anybody
that
who
very,
understands
very
training,
Yeah.
you know, is the first rule of losing fat is also you lose some muscle
Yes.
Right.
and you'll shrink,
Yeah.
correct? And then you build again. That's the normal process, you know. So when I did that, everyone was like, आप क्या वो कुछ बीमार हो गए हो?
Yeah, it comes a lot.
नहीं
It
भाई,
comes a
मैं
lot.
बीमार नहीं हूँ, बट वो पर्दे पे तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
नहीं बीमार, forget about बीमारी.
So,
I remember गणेश जब गणपति चल रहा था,
Yeah.
we all met again.
Yeah.
And there was a time हम दोनों डिस्कस कर रहे थे बैठ के
हाँ.
कि ये लेफ्ट में खड़ा होता, मैं राइट में खड़ा हुआ था, और हमने इनको बीच में खड़ा किया था, और हमने एक्चुअली देखा था कि यंग कौन लग रहा है तीनों में से सबसे ज्यादा. And I'm not even joking about this.
and आप लग रहे
It
हैं.
was him. It was
25.
him.
He is 25.
Wow. He's just very
I'm
sweet, but it
43.
was just literally, है ना?
Yeah, he's vampire.
Yeah, he doesn't age only.
So, what are the beauty standards like for men in the industry today?
तो सोचते ही नहीं.
हाँ, आप नहीं सोचते,
Best
but कोई
beauty
और तो
standards, I
सोचता
think
होगा
he's
ना.
already
Like,
sitting.
for
Yeah,
example,
like him,
you
like
know,
him.
He's already
if you
sitting
look
with
a
us.
certain way, there are certain kind of roles that come to you. Like, for example,
it's a
you
handicap.
played Lord Krishna.
It's a handicap.
Okay.
I mean, it's of course it's personally it's very nice when it comes to your brands
Right.
and your endorsements and of course self confidence.
Right.
But sometimes it's a perception that again people create, and I constantly go back to this word perception because half the time we are battling making you believe that we are worthy of being looked at from another perspective.
True. Very true.
Half the time it's me fighting it out and saying, "Okay, don't go just by my skin tone or my Goldilocks hair or any of that. I'm more desi than anybody in this room. Trust me. मेरी बोली भी वैसी है, मेरा दिल भी वैसा है और मेरा डिमीनर भी वैसा है. हाँ ठीक है, मैं दिखता ऐसा हूँ. अब इस वजह से अगर मुझे मेरा काम जिस किस्म का काम मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ और जिस किस्म के किरदार मैं करना चाह रहा हूँ और मैं जानता हूँ मैं कर सकता हूँ, और शायद माफ़ कीजिएगा मैं छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात बोलना नहीं चाहता, कभी कभार लगता है किसी आदमी को देख के कि इससे तो अच्छा शायद कर लेता मैं, बट मौका नहीं मिलता. आप हर आदमी को इस दुनिया में मौके की तलाश है ना? आज आप यहाँ बैठ के आप इंटरव्यूज कर रहे हैं, आप एक चैनल के साथ जुड़े, आप भी तो उम्मीद से यही हैं कि चलो यार मुझे एक और मौका मिला तो मैं कहीं और पहुंचूं,
Right.
मेरा खुद का चैनल होगा। क्यों? गलत है? आप सपने नहीं देख सकते? मुझे तो देखने हैं सपने। मुझे तो बड़ी उम्मीद है कि मैं अलग अलग किस्म के किरदार निभा पाऊँ। क्यों? इसकी भूरी आंखें हैं, है ना, हरी आंखें हैं, उसकी भी। हम अभी ऐसे मस्ती कर रहे थे आपके इंटरव्यू के पहले कि किसकी आंखें ज़्यादा
कौन जीतता है?
वैसी हैं। तो ये आंखों के चक्कर से यार नहीं यार, यू नो लाइट आई बॉयज, यू नो दे डोंट, व्हाई? You have prosthetics, you have lenses, you have things.
You
Absolutely.
can.
You have stalwart actors who've proved it in the past. You have a Kamal Hassan sir, who's molded himself beautifully into such great characters. He's played Chachi 420. Forget it.
Yeah.
Forget playing. Forget you know Mrs. Doubtfire. You know
Chachi
you
Chachi.
have Robin Williams,
Right.
the late Robin Williams. I think what an inspirational. You have Tom Hanks. You have worldwide. You have such great actors who've done that. Today you are seeing that in actors like Shah Rukh sir also, who's pushing himself to mold himself, you know, in different avatars. You have a Hrithik Roshan who's doing a Super 30, coloring himself dark out. You have a Langla Tyagi played by Saif Ali Khan, and you have many other actors. So sometimes it can be a handicap. While he was saying, "Ke, yaar, what do I do? I have a fitness." भाई है ना तो अच्छा है। इसका why are we made to feel like यार
Too fit.
just to play a certain character should I become one of those struggling? Why? I like to keep myself groomed.
Yeah.
Just because I have to come across as a thinking method solid actor doesn't mean I have to be in rags, na?
Mhm.
A torn shirt outside one of the
Yeah.
studios
Yeah,
saying
yeah,
with a bead in my hand and talking
yeah.
about something in Hindi and giving provision. I can still look like this because I like grooming myself and being presentable and still have the intellect of going and portraying that character.
Hmm.
But just yeah,
Needs a sorry cartoon.
Anji, please.
Since we are talking about this, very interesting it is. I've seen there's a sudden shift, and you have seen it. All the shifts, all the phases the industry has seen.
Right.
You know, from movies going, there are certain movies coming in, then the multiplex is coming in, then there are bank of films coming in.
Yeah.
Then along with the bank of films, there's a OTT space which is completely, constantly filling in. And then TV bhi saath mein. So there's a lot of content. You've seen a shift. I feel now urbanness is what I was talking in yesterday's interview also is I've seen in last few years urbanness is something which is little less appreciated now. थोड़ा देसीनेस अब ज्यादा मुझे लगता है सर
So
है ना अब ज्यादा हो गया है
unfortunately, Priyank, what's happening now? I mean, I'm sorry. I
अभी
mean,
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
but it's
देसी
an interesting conversation.
Yeah,
and-
absolutely.
And,
Please
and
go on.
please don't hold anything that we're talking about here
Yeah.
as the iron rod or a
No,
sword
it
in the
is.
stone.
Yeah,
for
you're right.
okay, now this is what it is.
This is what it
This is my perception.
Yes.
Maybe my take to things. When we started, I mean, what filmography, films in general, has evolved, and the evolution of films has seen such a great shift, in the paradigm of how films are supposed to be accepted. We've seen the theater era, big time, right?
True.
Then from theaters came the multiplexes, right? What were the multiplexes supposed to do? Multiplexes were predominantly for not one film to be in every theater
Yep.
and dominate on every shows. It was for a big
A
film,
lot of films coming.
a small film,
Yes.
a
Different
horror film,
flavors.
maybe an animated film,
Mhm.
to give a variety to
Variety.
your audience.
Yes.
And they had the choice of opting for which one they wanted to go,
Mhm.
and a choice was there for the availability that's there for them.
Hmm.
Then suddenly it started coming into dominance of saying, okay, listen, I'm a big distributor, I'm a big producer,
Mhm.
I have a big showcased film that's coming. These are small films. Give them a couple of shows,
Mhm.
but I need the
The main
eyeball on prime time.
Prime time.
Now, what has happened? Everything is now on stakes for that one big film.
Yes.
So, all your multiplexes, when they started coming in, your big films were being showcased. And, if that film works, fantastic, the numbers are going ting, ting, ting. And if that film doesn't work, theaters are running dry
Hmm.
because your audience has not been given other options also. No?
Yes.
There is no option left. From there, then the evolution of OTT.
OTT came in.
Now people have the option.
So much.
They have so much content and they have a remote. I'm not interested.
No,
You
it's
know,
just
move on,
no, it's
shift, pause. Let me go to the loo and come back. Popcorn is now in your home.
Yep.
And everyone, by the grace of God, is doing pretty well for themselves to afford a great sound system
Mhm.
and at least a nice television, if not a projector system.
Yep. Yep.
Correct.
Totally.
Why? So just imagine from a common man who's earning that 20, 30, 40,000 rupees a month as a salary. Why will he go? He'll wait for, okay, yeah, this is my one content or my one film.
I'm
Now,
gonna see it.
now in what has happened is that everything has a domino effect, right? So if that business ain't working in your big films and you're not getting them back into the theaters,
Mhm.
and the theaters aren't, you need films to work, but you're
has to
now
be a
you're
rotation.
making easier rural content
Mhm.
because it's easier on the pocket and you're getting
More
it with
relatable.
bigger stars. You're making it look like, okay, this is more relatable.
Mhm.
This is the current trend.
Raw.
It's probably just a mathematic equation.
Mhm.
Like you said ना, न्यूयॉर्क जैसी फिल्में नहीं बन रही हैं.
हाँ हाँ
कहाँ
बहुत
है?
कम है मतलब कहाँ मैंने
कहाँ?
बहुत सालों में मैंने भी नहीं देखी
So
है कोई
कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज आज भी हैं जो उस किस्म की फिल्में बना रहे हैं, बट जो नहीं बना पाएंगे उनको कहानी तो बतानी है.
Yeah.
और वो कहानी ऑब्वियसली फिर यहाँ गांव खेड़ी की कहानी आएगी, कोई अच्छी एक कहानी आएगी,
Mhm.
कोई, एंड देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट. बट आई एम सेइंग कि एक जॉनी गद्दार भी बनी थी ना,
Mhm. Mhm.
जो बड़े छोटे पैमाने पे और बड़े छोटे
Right.
बजट की एक फिल्म बनी थी. तो ऐसा नहीं कि कहानी हम छोटे बजट की नहीं बना सकते.
Mhm.
वो हम में है कि हम उसे किस तरीके से मोल्ड करें और उसका डिमांड आएगा. मेरा तो ये मानना है.